Hey everyone, today we are going to be making Paneer Tikka Masala with Spicytude. To start with the marinade, we'll take spice pack number 1 from the Tikka Masala kit, add it to the yogurt, add ginger, garlic and mix it well. Pour the marinade over the paneer. Mix it thoroughly and let it sit for at least an hour. Next, let's dice our tomatoes and onion. Add oil to a pan over medium heat. Add paneer in batches. Cook for at least a minute or 2. Add oil to the same pan. Add onion, tomato and saute until they are soft. Add spice pack number 2 and sugar. Cook until it's reduced. Add to the blender and blend until it's smooth. Add the sauce and the paneer to the pan and cook it for another 10 minutes. Add cream, mix it well and garnish it with cilantro. Serve it with your choice of rice and thanks for watching.